everyone. I cordially welcome you all to today's farewell party of the batch 2021. I am Aishwarya Venkatesh of Masters Part 1. Allow me to be your host for today. We all have gathered here today to bid farewell to our seniors who are moving on from this wonderful college to the next phase of their life. And do you know what today is special? Yes, it is the World Environmental Day. Hence, I wish you all a very happy World Environmental Day. As we all know, at Nalanda, we take special care and measures to save and protect our environment. Hence, for a better tomorrow, plant more trees and make this planet a better place to live. With that, before actually starting the event, I would like to read out the lineup of events scheduled for today, because everyone can get a fair idea of today's schedule. With that, after my welcome note, there will be an invocatory Ganesh Vandana by my classmate, Mr. Saurabh Tripathi. After that, our honorable chief guest, Dr. Kanak Nili ma'am, would share a few words of wisdom with us for our seniors and shower her blessings on us. Followed by our principal, Dr. Uma Reddy ma'am, who would also speak a few words addressing our seniors. As I already told you, today is Environmental Day. Hence, our teaching faculty, Mrs. Madhuri Deshmukh ma'am, would speak a few words. After that, I will be introducing each of our seniors with a specially made PPT by the students of F2. Next will be a wonderful collage video made by the students of BPA Part 2, which I am sure will take you down the memory lane. After that, each of our seniors would speak a few words about their roller coaster journey in this college. After that, there is a series of surprise events specially planned for our seniors. For that, you will have to wait and watch. Then, the mic will be open for all our gurus, teaching and non-teaching staffs to share a few words of encouragement for our seniors. And then, our student from F2, Miss Pragati Anka, will share a few words for our seniors. And then, with my welcome note, we will conclude the event. But don't go away, because in the end, we are going to click the group photo. But you don't have to worry. We have assigned a person who will cover the whole event. With that, I would like to start today's event with a quote. Someone has rightly said, the two hardest things to say in life are hello for the first time and goodbye for the last time. But I'm definitely sure that this is not the last time that we are saying goodbye to our seniors, because the relationship of a junior and a senior continues for life. This may be the end of student life for our seniors, but we will always turn to our seniors for their support and guidance. With that, a very good afternoon to one and all present here today. It is my absolute pleasure today to address our chief guest, our principal, teaching and non-teaching staffs, and my seniors on behalf of all my juniors and batchmates. I consider it as my absolute privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, founder director of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Kanak Nili ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing this occasion with your presence here today. We all are truly blessed to have you with us today. I further extend my greetings to our respected principal, Dr. Uma Reddy ma'am, and I would also like to welcome all our gurus, teaching and non-teaching staffs present here with us today. Please consider this as my personal address to each one of you. I also welcome the stars for today, our seniors of the batch 2021. And in the last, I also welcome my batchmates and my juniors for today's event. You know, in the history of Nalanda, this is the first time that the farewell is happening online. Sometimes I think that in future, hopefully when the schools and colleges reopen and the students are sitting in the class and making noise, and the teacher enters, and if this was before pandemic, the teacher would say, children, keep quiet. But due to this pandemic, I think the teacher would say, children, mute yourselves. That is how this pandemic has affected us. But nevertheless, we all juniors have tried to put our best foot forward to make this day as best as possible. So sit back and relax, as this day is never gonna come back. With that, now that we have got the blessings of Lord Ganapati, I was just thinking that we have never seen God, but we have always felt His presence within us. We all can also feel the God in our mothers and gurus. I have heard everyone say that my mother is my first guru. But have you heard anyone saying our guru is also our mother? Today, we have a very special person with us here today, who is our mother first and then our guru. She loves us, cares for us, and sometimes even scolds us, just like we are her own children. I'm sure every student who have passed out, who are still studying, and who will join in the future will all be her children first, as we all call her with love as Kanak Amma. Now, I request our honorable Kanak a few words of wisdom.
Thank you very much, all of you. I hope you can hear me. I do not know how many such farewells I have attended, but it has always been a pleasure also, and there is always a tinge of sadness that I won't see these students once again. But years pass, decades pass, and suddenly somebody comes and stands in front of you. Miss, do you remember me? Well, it's very difficult because hundreds and thousands of students have passed out. But when somebody calls you Miss and you remember me, it's such a great pleasure. So I would always say that, sorry, I don't remember your name, and so many names. And then we don't expect you to remember our names. But we enjoyed ourselves at Nalanda, and we will never forget Nalanda. And most of them tell me, thank you very much for creating Nalanda.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those words of inspiration and encouragement. You are humble enough to call yourself a medium, but I feel that all that we are today, all that we are going to become in the future, all our success is just because of you, your hard work and your love. You are really an inspiration to us, and on behalf of all the students, I bow down to you for your blessing. Further, as we proceed, I request our dear principal, Dr. Uma Rele ma'am, to speak a few words addressing our seniors.
Yes, namaste everyone. Good afternoon. You heard a wonderful memoirs of Kanakben sharing with you the emergence or the birth of Nalanda. We are in the span where now we have to continue the maintenance of Nalanda with the same love, same faith, same dedication, and we have to keep it up alive. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ झंडा चलता रहे, झंडा उड़ता रहे, नालंदा का झंडा आपके हाथ में है, right? So we are all aware of the responsibilities that we have to share, and we have to, being a Nalandaite, what pressure and responsibilities it brings you, we all know, isn't it?
Thank you for your sweet words. You always keep showering your love and affection to us. I now move further, and I request Mrs. Madhuri Deshmukh ma'am to speak a few words on Environmental Day.
Namaste Kanakben, respected teachers and all friends, students. Yes, you are students, but you are our friends. And here, as a part of Vasundhara, the Green Club of Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, I advise all of you, I would like to have this discussion with you, that in the last few days, few months, we have seen and we have observed the panic of unfortunate things, the COVID patients, due to the lack of supply of oxygen. And considering that, as you all know, it has been a practice at Nalanda that every year in July, in the month of July, we have tree plantation day. we plant certain trees in our campus. But last year also, as you all know, you people had planted those saplings at your home and you had sent us the videos. Thank you so much for it. Now, as a part of Vasundhara, what we thought of that, in spite of doing it in the month of July, let us celebrate it as our activity on the World Environmental Day. So, here I would like to share an activity with you that today onwards, till the next 1 week, each one of you will be planting a sapling of tulsi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for addressing us today. Now, further, we move on to the most excited and awaited part of today's event. I will be introducing each of our seniors individually, and I request my classmate Radhika to share the screen with a specially made PPT by our students of F2. I hope you all are excited. And I would like to inform our seniors that this is the same order that they will be called ahead for their speech. So, I start with our introduction of our seniors. So, about the first senior, looking at her face, no one could tell what is going on in her mind, what magical mystery she holds in her heart. She is extremely dedicated and disciplined. Not only in this PPT is she the first, but also when I took admission in this college for the first time, she was the first senior to whom I interacted. When it comes to dance, she believes in perfection. She is extremely dedicated and disciplined. Let us welcome our first senior for today, Miss Rukmini Iyer. Let us all welcome with a round of claps. So this is called as digital class. It is naturally muted. Yes. So we move on to our next senior. About the next senior, I remember that once I had a doubt or a hesitation regarding something about the dance item, and I remember clearly the senior said to me, "Arey bindas rahe, you can do it. We all are there for you." That is how she motivates her juniors to take up new challenges and try new things. Let us welcome the warm and kind-hearted senior, Miss Gauri Kale, with our digital applause. Moving on to the next senior. For this senior, I am going to give a clue. So I request everyone to just pin me on their screen so that they can see the clue. And please put your answers on the chat box. So the clue is this. If you follow her on Facebook or Instagram, you would definitely identify her. Yes, that is true. Very correct. Yes.
Vaishnavi.
Yes, very correct, ma'am. That is Vaishnavi. A contagious smile, a beautiful face, and a very friendly nature is the distinguished characteristic of this senior. Let us all welcome our next senior, Vaishnavi Hazari, with our digital applause. I might have not done as perfectly as her, but I tried. Our next senior is a very beautiful dancer. She is a very beautiful Kathak dancer. And not only she is a dancer, but she is a beautiful actor and a writer. She has appeared in various Marathi serials. And about her writing, I will just read out a शायरी. तुम में और चांद में क्या फर्क है? तुम्हें देखते देखते चांद नजर आता है और चांद को ताकते ताकते तुम। इस मीठी उलझन का हल कौन जाने भला? तुम्हें चांद कहूं या चांद को हमदम? That is none other than our next senior, Miss Tejashree Gule. Let us all welcome her. I'm sure all my seniors are going to block me on Instagram on account of stalking. Our next senior, her fellow juniors describe her as the one who is always ready to help. During the tough times of examination, she never hesitates or thinks twice to teach her juniors and solve that out. And with my personal observation, she has a very beautiful smile. Let us all welcome our next senior from Kathak, Miss Ashanta Boutle, with our digital class. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. Kindly forgive. Moving on to our next senior. This senior is absolutely the epitome of hard work. She knows how to perfectly balance between her work life and study life. She is the first one to come to my mind when I have any doubt or I need any help. When we see her, our heart automatically fills with respect. She is truly an inspiration to all her juniors. Let us all welcome a beautiful soul in and out, our senior, Miss Avani Asher, with digital applause. About the next senior, I'm sure you all are going to guess this next senior. We all juniors call him as Bhaiya, although he is the Kanha among the gopis. After watching his performance as Krishna, it is practically impossible for anyone to not get mesmerized. Yes, you have correctly guessed this, ma'am. It is as if he was made for that role. I welcome our most humble and down-to-earth senior, Mr. Shubham Khowal. About the next senior, she is a Kathak senior. As I had never seen her, I asked my friends about her. They said she was so beautiful that even I will fall in love with her. I said, that was impossible, guys. Send me her pic right away. So when I saw her, I would like to take her to CCD. She is definitely the example of beauty with brains. Let us all welcome our graceful senior, Miss Soumya Srivastava. About the next senior. I am personally a big fan of her expression. Her eyes can speak more louder than any word. Her beautiful face radiates a pinch of naughtiness too. I think just like Shubham Bhaiya, she too would be perfect for the role of Krishna. That is none other than our senior, Miss Gokula Gopi. About the next senior, she is such a versatile dancer. I admire her for her maturity, confidence and boldness. The fire of passion in her heart radiates through her face. Let us all welcome our dear Devayani. Can anyone guess? Our dear Devayani, Mrs. Vaishali Verma Nair. About the next senior, my sources reveal that she is an Alice in Wonderland, always lost in her own magical world. There is one constant hashtag that she uses in all her pictures. That is Mohini the Enchantress. You know, please don't think that I'm stalking all of you. I had to do my own research. But I must say, that is absolutely true. She indeed is an enchantress. Let us all welcome our only senior from Mohiniyattam, Miss Naina Prakash. About our next senior. As we all Bharatanatyam juniors have our own elder brother, same way Kathak juniors have him. He is so dedicated to his dance form that it radiates in his aura. He believes in talking less and working more. Let us welcome a simple yet sweet senior, Mr. Dheeraj Gajbhee. juniors say that she is true to her name. She mesmerizes everyone with her beauty, grace, and her nature. She has constantly supported her juniors and helped them to correct their movements and posture. Her inner beauty shines because of her helpful nature and enchanting smile. Let us all welcome our Kathak senior, Ms. Mohini Gori. Okay, I just want to ask a question. किसको लगता है कि ये फेयरवेल कनक सभा में होना चाहिए था? अभी due to unavoidable circumstances it is happening online. किसको लगता है कि कनक सभा में होना चाहिए था? I feel because अच्छी टिक पाव भाजी, गुलाब जामुन, समोसा, फ्रूटी, कुछ अच्छा खाने को तो मिल जाता. Talking about food, I hear that our next senior is a big foodie, just like me. About her, she's a very sweet, and she calls her juniors as Bacha. I wonder if she even knows our names. She is very super cute and always has a smile on her face. That is none other than our senior Miss Kimaya Sabu. And everyone are correcting guessly, guys. Keep it going. Next, our senior, who is a big fan of the famous sitcom Friends. Could we be any more similar? And not only this, she has a very big group of friends. And why will she not? She wears her heart on her sleeve. She is like, जो दिल में है, वो सामने है. Her smile is the proof of her pure heart. Let us welcome our last but not the least senior, Akshata Kulkarni.
Nalanda and all our esteemed teachers have made me realize how great it is to be a student, how selfless you have to be in order to be a teacher, and how elevating it is to be a performer. And I think for this year I should also add how valuable it is to be a researcher. It has opened my eyes so much, and I can only thank my teachers for giving me this opportunity.
कॉलेज लाईफ म्हणाल, मी जशी आले होते, मी जशी लास्ट एग्जाम दिली तेव्हा सगळेच तुम्हाला हळूहळू आप सबको बहुत धीरे धीरे रियलाइज होगा कि कैसे आप ग्रोथ हो रहे हो, आपको खुद को नहीं पता चलता. एट द एंड जब आप एग्जाम दे रहे हो, कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग, आप आंसर्स दे देते हो और बाद में पता चलता है ओ इतना हम लोग ने पढ़ा है.
तो जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं, इवन उमा में सब टीचर्स, सबको पता था. मैंने आफ्टर 10th डायरेक्ट ज्वाइन किया. मुझे डांसर बिल्कुल बनना नहीं था, मतलब नहीं, मुझे डांसर ही नहीं बनना था. एंड मुझे नालंदा में डाल दिया. आई वांटेड टू जॉइन आर्मी. ओके, मुझे याद है F1 का एग्जाम उमा मिस ने लिया. एंड देन शी सेड कि वैष्णवी, यू आर गुड डांसर, आप मेहनत करोगे तो आगे जाओगे. और मैंने वो पकड़ लिया. F2 से मैंने जो स्टार्ट किया, मेरा नहीं, अभी मुझे डांस ही करना है. बस जो कुछ भी था, आर्मी, स्पोर्ट, जो कुछ भी था, मैं सब भूल गई और मैं सिर्फ नालंदा में रही. बस नालंदा इतना ही था मेरा. ये 4 नालंदा का चौपन, बस, that's it.
I just wanted to share a few things. So before coming to Nalanda as a master's student, I was learning Kathak since childhood. So I had been dancing since quite a lot of time, even before joining Nalanda. But what Nalanda has done to me as a dancer is really indescribable. I mean, I have said this time and again during this entire year of online teaching. But I really am very grateful, and I'm really humbled that we got teachers in Nalanda who taught us how to think about dance, how to study dance, and how to not just, move your body in a certain way, but why to do it. Basically, what I learned in Nalanda was
that there is a very definite and certain purpose behind each and every body movement that we carry out. And I think the learning of that purpose was something really, I mean, I cannot put a value on that. How much it is valuable for me, ये मैं नहीं बता सकती. But I'm really very grateful and humbled, and I'm also very thankful to the universe that I came to Nalanda even after dancing and completing my Alankar.
जे इमॅजिन नाही करू शकत की 2 वर्षात जे आपण म्हणतो की नाही खरंच चमत्कार झालाय तो सिरियसली मला स्वतःमध्ये पाहायला मिळतो. आणि मला हे पण म्हणजे मला इथे थांबायचं नाही आहे, मला कंटिन्यू शिकायचं आहे. माझ्याकडनं जितकं होईल तितकं मी शिकणार आहे समोर. थँक्यू. सगळ्यांनी मला खूप सपोर्ट केला आहे. श्री उमा मिस, मीनाक्षी मिस आणि नूतन ताईंना.
Namaste, all teachers and my classmates and juniors. Before joining Masters, I earlier never knew that I can actually do this. But the first guidance that I had was Vaidehi ma'am when I was doing my Parangat with the diploma course that Nalanda is offering. And post which Uma ma'am really guided me well, where I was learning from her. And learning from them actually made me realize that there's a lot more than what I actually thought it was. So I started understanding, okay, there is Talam also, okay, there is this also, there is this also, okay, then, you know, now I want to do it.
सबसे पहले थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा कनक मिस को, बिकॉज उनका इतना स्ट्रगल के कारण नालंदा है जहाँ पर हम इतने सारे लोग पूरा वहाँ पर है. सेकंड थिंग मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा दीपक सर को, जिन्होंने मुझे नालंदा के लिए इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. मेरे को अगर अपने बारे में जैसे बोलने के लिए बोलते हैं तो मुझे ज़्यादा बोलने को नहीं आता. वैसे ही नालंदा के लिए वर्ड्स नहीं है, मतलब मैं उसके कुछ मतलब ऐसे बोल पाऊँ. और सभी टीचर्स को बहुत थैंक यू. मैं सचमुच आँख बंद करके कह सकता हूँ कि पूरे मतलब जहाँ जितना कि मैं जानता हूँ सचमुच इतना थियरी कहीं पर नहीं, आप लोगों को इतना नॉलेज मतलब कहीं नहीं है. मतलब ये सचमुच बहुत ज्ञान का भंडार है जहाँ से आप जितना गेन कर सकते हैं उतना करो. और मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वापस से काश मैं F1 में एडमिशन ले लूँ, बिकॉज बहुत कुछ है जो मैंने बैचलर्स में मिस कर दिया और बहुत कुछ है जो सीखना है. थैंक यू सो मच सभी को. थैंक यू.
Namaste to all the teachers. Thank you so much, first of all, Uma ma'am, and to all the juniors who have organized such a wonderful online farewell. I mean, I couldn't have imagined such kind of a farewell because in the midst of situation that we are in, it's very difficult. I would like to start from, I come from a very small city as compared to Bombay, and even though I've had years of experience, but I think I really need to start from scratch. I've learned from a guru who never stood up and taught me because of her unfortunate paralysis situation. And I have a very fond memory of my, I think, second week of Nalanda when I saw Nutan ma'am. I mean, she was teaching us Abhinay and I was in awe. Like literally, I had tears, like one tear. I was like, first of all, I'm learning from such a great teacher. And then who's such a graceful dancer herself. I was literally since then I was like, no matter what, I think I've taken a good decision of coming here, leaving my guru behind. But obviously I have utmost respect for her as well. Then for me, dance was always about practical knowledge. Nalanda, when I came here, it was all, it is 80% theory also. Uma ma'am used to tell us that, beta, no, theory आपकी help करती है. I used to question like क्या उसका use होगा, क्या use होगा हमारे practical aspects में. Then when I used to go to the library sometimes, which honestly I was never a studious person, कभी कभी पढ़ाई कर लेती थी तो देखती थी कि अच्छा ऐसा है. Now that I see, it is actually very useful how we implement those theoretical points into our practical knowledge, and for that I'm eternally grateful to Uma ma'am and Meenakshi ma'am for the best theory knowledge. I mean, if somebody asks me from Chandigarh or anywhere in North, I would suggest Nalanda because अगर तुमको knowledge चाहिए तो I would always suggest this college, which is the best.
Namaste teachers, namaste everyone. So basically, I don't
don't know what to say. So I was a person who had a dream to join Nalanda from my childhood. I was like, सबको कैसा ड्रीम कॉलेज होता है वैसा मेरे लिए नालंदा हमेशा ड्रीम कॉलेज था. So I would like to thank Radhika Miss for that, because from my childhood here, or like I used to wonder, ऐसा कॉलेज है नहीं मुझे यही कॉलेज जाना है, मैं यही कॉलेज जाना है. I would like to thank her for introducing me such a wonderful college. I'm really great.
So मुझे नहीं मालूम मतलब क्या बोलना है, और ये बहुत कम टाइम है हमें बोलने के लिए. एंड हमारा जो 7 साल का जो जर्नी है उसके लिए ये टाइम काफी नहीं है. बट ऑनलाइन जो भी आप लोग ने इतना मेहनत किया है, इतना स्वीट फोटोज, इंट्रोडक्शंस, ऐश्वर्या व्हाट अ ग्रेट जॉब, क्या बात कर रही है, वेरी गुड. एंड सब लोग बहुत स्वीटली ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई जूनियर्स. एंड ऑब्वियसली टीचर्स में क्या बोलूं, मेरे को सबके बारे में बोलना है क्योंकि मैंने सबसे इंटरेक्ट किया है. इवन राहुल सर, क्योंकि मैं जब इधर आई थी नालंदा में, आई वॉज नथिंग एंड आई हैव बीन changed a lot. And Uma miss, thank you so much for everything. ये प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि मैं ज्यादा बात नहीं करती हूँ, तो बात करूँ तो इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ. एंड जूनियर्स ऑल्सो बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट दिखती हूँ और हूँ भी, थी मैं. अभी ऑनलाइन में बहुत कम हो गई. एंड स्ट्रिक्ट इसके लिए क्योंकि टीचर्स ने उतना मेहनत करके हम लोगों को सिखाया है. जब हमें सिखाया तो मैं चाहती थी कि मेरा हर एक जूनियर वो एक्सपीरियंस करे. एंड आई कांट स्पीक मच एंड आई एम मिसिंग सम टीचर्स हियर. सो ऑब्वियसली आई विल बी कमिंग फॉर द ऑफलाइन फेयरवेल. एंड उधर तो मैं सब टीचर्स को अच्छे से रुलाऊंगी, हंसाऊंगी, एंटरटेन करूंगी. एंड आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट आई मीट एवरीवन. Obviously.
नमस्ते. ओके, सो मैं भी स्टार्टिंग से सब बताना चाहूँगी. मेरे जो श्यामल टीचर है उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि एक डांस कॉलेज है, और मैं जब सोमया में पढ़ती थी कॉलेज में तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि एक डांस का अलग सा कॉलेज होना चाहिए. बट मुझे नहीं पता था कि यहाँ पे अच्छा नालंदा नृत्य कला महाविद्यालय है. मेरी मॉम को पता था बिकॉज वो हमेशा लोक सत्ता पेपर पढ़ती थी, बट उसे ऐसा कभी लगा नहीं कि मैं प्रोफेशनली वो करने जाऊंगी. तो उसने मुझे कभी बताना इतना जरूरी नहीं समझा. बट मेरी टीचर ने मुझसे कहा कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है तू आगे बहुत आगे जा सकती है इसमें, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तूने नालंदा ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. तो मैं मेरे मिस के साथ आई. हम फर्स्ट कनक मिस को मिले, फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि तुम्हें मतलब मेरी मिस को ऐसा लगता था कि पार्ट 1 से ले. बट फिर बाद में मुझे ऐसा समझा कि फर्स्ट ईयर से लेने का कितना फायदा है, बिकॉज इतने सारे अडल्ट, इतना सारा नॉलेज. मुझे तभी लगता था कि ठीक है श्लोकस है ना, मुझे आता है वैसे तो मैं कर लूंगी, तो ऐसा कुछ टेंशन नहीं है. लेकिन इतना नहीं पता था कि इतना सारा थियोरी है. लेकिन फिर बाद में पता चला कि कितना पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है. और मैं हमेशा सबको यही कहना चाहूंगी कि जितना भी पॉसिबल हो एक दूसरे को हेल्प करो. पता नहीं आज यहाँ है कल कहाँ रहेंगे, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम सब ने एक दूसरे को हेल्प करना चाहिए. बिकॉज हर इंसान की जरूरत होती है. एंड कभी ऐसा मत सोचो कि सामने वाले ने मुझे हेल्प नहीं किया इसके लिए मैं क्यों करूं, ऐसा नहीं है. तो उसमें और आप में फर्क ही क्या है. लेकिन आप हमेशा अच्छा काम करते रहिए. एंड ट्रस्ट में, अगर आज तुम्हें कोई चीज नहीं मिली, कोई डांस में किसी ने नहीं लिया, तो ऐसा मत समझो कि तुम कमजोर हो. ऐसा नहीं है. इसके बाद तुम्हें इससे ज्यादा अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने वाली, ये सोचो एंड आगे बढ़ो. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वैसा अगर तुम सोचोगे ना, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, तुम्हें सच में ऐसा कुछ आगे मिलता है कि जो तुमने कुछ सोचा भी नहीं होगा. एंड वो हमेशा हुआ है. सो ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसा ही बिलीव करो एंड खुद पे कॉन्फिडेंस रखो एंड आगे बढ़ो. दैट्स इट.